Hello everyone, I'm Shema, mathematics teacher at Lesan English Private Basic School. Today we are going to explain a new chapter, a new lesson, which is chapter 5, lesson 3, find a rule. We have these boxes, how we can find a rule for these books. We have two boxes, input, output. First, I wanted to tell you before we explain this to example, I wanted to tell you if input numbers are less than the output numbers, input numbers less than the output numbers, to write an equation, we have to use multiply. Input number less than the output number, to write an equation, we have to use multiply. Next, if the input numbers are greater than the output numbers, input box here greater than the output box, to write an equation we have to use division. Okay. First, let's get started from this box. We have input, output. Input represented by N, output represented by R. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 18, 24, 30, 36. Look at these numbers. These numbers are less than these lists. 3 less than 18, 4 less than 24, 5 less than 30, 6 less than 36. So if input box are less than output box, to write an equation we have to use multiply. Okay, now let's write a rule for this box. First, input number represented by N. We have N. Input number are less than output number, so use multiply. N times 1. Let's think together. 3 times which number is equal 18? 4 times which number is equal 24? 5 times which number is equal 30? 6 times which number is equal 36? I think 3 times 6 is equal 18. Yeah, that's right. So 3 times 6 is equal 18. 4 times 6 is equal 24. That's right again. 5 times 6 is equal 30. That's right, again. 6 times 6 is equal 36. So N times 6 is equal. Output number represented by R. So we have to test your rule on each pair. We have to test this rule on each pair that we have. N times 6 is equal R. First, N is equal 3. 3 times 6 is equal 18. That's right. 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is equal 24. Output is 24. So that's right again. 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is equal 30. Our output is 30. That's right. 6 times 6 is equal 36. Our output is 36. So that's right. So this equation used for this input and output numbers. We have another box, input numbers, output number. First, look at this input number. These input number are greater than output number. 72 greater than 8. 63 greater than 7. 54 greater than 6, 45 greater than 5. So I told you before, if input number is greater than output number, to write an equation, we have to use division. Okay, so let's write an equation for this box. Input number is P. Input numbers are greater than output number, so we'll use divide. Okay. Divide by what? Let's think together. 72 times divide by which number is equal 8? 72 divide by which number is equal 8? 63 divide by which number? 7. 54 divide by which number? 6. 45 divide by which number? 5. I think 72 divide 9 is equal 8. 72 divide 9 is equal to 8. Why? Because 8 times 9 is 72. That's right. 63 divide 9 is equal 7. Again, that's right. Why? Because 7 times 9 is equal 63. 54 divide 9 is equal 6. Again, that's right. Because 6 times 9 is equal 54. 45 divide 9 is equal 5. Yeah, that's right, because 5 times 9 is equal 45. So P divide 9 is equal, our output is R. So test this rule on each pair. How? 72, our input 72 divide 9. 72 divide 9 is equal 8. That's right. 63 input divide 9 is equal 7. That's right. 54 divide 9 is equal 6. Again, our output is 6. That's right. 45 divide 9 is equal 5. We have this to another equation. Let's practice together. Find a rule. Write the rule as an equation. Just like this. Find a rule as an equation. You know, in an equation we have an equal sign. Okay, we have input, again output. First, look at this number. We will use multiply or division. 12 less than 24, you know. 11 less than 22. 9 less than 18. 7 less than 14. So, if input number is less than output number, we'll use what? We'll use multiply. So, B, our input number represented by B, times we'll use multiply Y because our input numbers are less than output numbers. Times what? Let's think again together. 12 times which number? 24. 12 times which number? 24. 11 times which number? 24. 9 times which number? 18. 7 times which number? 14. I think 12 times 2 is equal to 24. That's right. 11 times 2 is equal to 22. Again, yes, that's right. 9 times 2, 18. That's right. 7 times 2 is 14. Yeah, that's right. So B times 2 equal, our output is represented by C. So this is an equation for this box. B times 2 is equal C. We have another box, input, output. Our input represented by D, our output represented by T. First, look at this list and this list. Compare them. Which one is greater than which one? 60 greater than 2. 32 greater than 4. 48 greater than 6. 64 greater than 8. So if our input list greater than our output list, we'll use what? We'll use division. So D divide. Divide by what? 16. Divide by which number is equal to? 32. Divide by which number? 4. 48. Divide by which number? 6. 64 divide by which number? 8. I think 16. Divide 8 is equal to. So D divide 8. 32 again. 32 divide 8 is equal 4. Why? Because 8 times 4 is equal 32. 48 divide 8 is equal 6 because 6 times 8 is equal 48. 64 divide 8 is equal 8 because 8 times 8 is equal 64. So our rule is equal D divide 8 equal T. Our output represented by T. So let's test this equation on each page that we have. 60 divide 8 is equal to, that's right. 32 divide 8 is equal 4, that's right. 48 divide 8 is equal 8. 6, that's right. 64 divide 8 is equal 8. That's right. So this is a rule for this input box. I hope it will be benefit. Thanks a lot for your listening.